The 10 strangest and most dangerous animals in the world. What if I told you that some of the most dangerous animals on Earth don't look dangerous at all? Some can kill with venom. Others have terrifying weapons, incredible strength, or strange abilities that seem almost impossible. From the depths of the ocean to the darkest forests, these animals have evolved in some of the most extreme environments on our planet. Today, we're counting down the 10 strangest and most dangerous animals in the world. And trust me, number 1 is one animal you definitely don't want to encounter. Number 10, the Komodo dragon. Let's start with one of the largest lizards on Earth, the Komodo dragon. Native to a few Indonesian islands, this giant reptile can grow to around 3 meters long and weigh more than 70 kilograms. But its size isn't its only weapon. Komodo dragons have sharp, curved teeth, powerful jaws, and venomous compounds that can contribute to blood loss and shock in their prey. They also have an incredible sense of smell. A Komodo dragon can detect the scent of potential food from a considerable distance, and despite their heavy bodies, they can move surprisingly quickly over short distances. They may look slow and prehistoric, but getting too close to one is definitely a bad idea. Number 9, the cassowary. Next is a bird, but not the kind of bird you would want to approach. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird found mainly in Australia and New Guinea. It has a strange appearance, with a tall helmet-like structure on its head and bright blue and red skin around its neck. But the most dangerous part is its feet. Cassowaries have 3 powerful toes, and the inner toe carries a long, dagger-like claw. When threatened, a cassowary can deliver extremely powerful kicks. It can also run surprisingly fast and jump while attacking. This is one bird that proves you don't need wings to be dangerous. Number 8, the blue-ringed octopus. Now let's go underwater. The blue-ringed octopus is tiny, beautiful, and extremely dangerous. When calm, it can be difficult to notice. But when threatened, brilliant blue rings appear across its body as a warning. And those beautiful rings are basically saying, "Stay away." The blue-ringed octopus carries a powerful neurotoxin that can interfere with the nervous system and cause paralysis. One of the frightening things about this animal is its size. It's small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, but its venom can be extremely dangerous to humans. So remember, sometimes the most dangerous animals aren't the biggest ones. Sometimes they're the smallest. Number 7, the stonefish. Imagine walking into the ocean and stepping on a rock, except that rock is alive. The stonefish is one of the most venomous fish known. It has an incredible ability to camouflage itself among rocks and the ocean floor. Its appearance makes it extremely difficult to notice. The danger comes from the sharp spines along its back. When pressure is applied, the spines can inject venom. A person who accidentally steps on a stonefish can experience severe pain and other serious symptoms. This makes the stonefish especially frightening because you might not even realize it's there. In the ocean, sometimes the most dangerous thing is the thing you can't see. Number 6, the inland taipan. Now let's talk about snakes. The inland taipan is often described as the most venomous snake in the world based on venom toxicity. It lives in remote areas of Australia and is rarely encountered by humans. Its venom is extremely potent and is designed to rapidly affect its prey. The inland taipan is also incredibly fast and can deliver multiple bites during an attack. But here's something interesting. Despite its extremely powerful venom, it isn't considered one of the biggest threats to humans, because it lives far away from most people and usually avoids confrontation. Still, if you're ever in its territory, giving this snake plenty of space is probably a very good idea. Number 5, the box jellyfish. At number 5, we return to the ocean. The box jellyfish is one of the most dangerous marine animals on Earth. Its nearly transparent body makes it difficult to see in the water, but its tentacles can contain thousands of microscopic stinging structures. Some species have venom capable of causing extremely serious effects, including intense pain and potentially life-threatening cardiovascular problems. The scary part? You might not even see it before contact. That's why some beaches in areas where box jellyfish are found use protective nets and warning systems. Beautiful, transparent, and potentially deadly. Number 4. The pistol shrimp. This next animal looks harmless. It's tiny, it's colorful, and it doesn't even have a giant set of teeth. But the pistol shrimp has one of the strangest weapons in nature. One of its claws works like a high-speed biological pistol. When the shrimp snaps its claw shut, it creates a powerful shockwave in the surrounding water. The collapsing bubble can produce extremely high temperatures for a tiny fraction of a second. The resulting pressure wave can stun or kill small prey. And here's the crazy part. The shrimp doesn't need to physically hit its target. It can attack using the shockwave created by the collapsing bubble. Nature basically gave this tiny animal a miniature underwater weapon. Number 3. The hippopotamus. Now we're going back to land. The hippopotamus may look like a giant, slow-moving animal, but don't let its appearance fool you. Hippos are extremely powerful and can become highly aggressive when they feel threatened. They have enormous jaws and large canine teeth. They can also move surprisingly quickly over short distances. And despite spending much of their time in water, hippos aren't harmless aquatic animals. They can be particularly dangerous when people get too close to them, especially between a hippo and the water. They may look funny in documentaries, but in the wild, a hippopotamus deserves a huge amount of respect. Number 2. The poison dart frog. Our second animal is one of the smallest creatures on this list. The poison dart frog is famous for its bright, colorful skin. Blue, yellow, red, green. These colors aren't just beautiful. For some species, they act as a warning to predators. Certain poison dart frogs can carry powerful toxins in their skin. Interestingly, their toxicity is strongly connected to their diet in the wild. In captivity, frogs that don't consume the same natural foods may lose or greatly reduce their toxicity. So this tiny frog teaches us something fascinating. In nature, sometimes bright colors aren't an invitation. They're a warning. Number 1. The mosquito. And now, number 1. The mosquito. You might be thinking, wait, a mosquito? Yes, this tiny insect is one of the most dangerous animals on Earth, not because of its bite itself, but because some mosquitoes can transmit serious diseases. They can spread illnesses such as malaria, dengue, yellow fever, and other mosquito-borne diseases. And unlike a giant predator, a mosquito can live extremely close to humans. It can enter homes, it can hide almost anywhere. And you may not even notice it until it's too late. That's what makes the mosquito so dangerous. It's tiny, it's common, and it doesn't need claws, giant teeth, or enormous strength. It simply uses biology as its weapon. Final thought.